Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. No matter what people think of you, always keep singing your own song. Being true to yourself can be one of the hardest things you can do with so many different influences. People will tell you that you're not good enough, or you should do something else. It's a common thing said and heard, but this is not their adventure. You are an incredible journey for yourself of ups and downs, with successes and failures just waiting to happen. Be true to yourself and what you want to do instead of what others say you should. This is your song, so sing it loud.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.